Hi, Matt here from Comic Blessing. Going to do another unboxing for you today. And today's unboxing is actually just one single item, but a really cool one. And I have a great story on how I got it. So here it is. It's a hardcover book called Seduction of the Innocent by Frederick Wortham. Came out in the 50s. And publication of this book is kind of what led to the introduction of the Comics Code. It led to the bankruptcy of a lot of comic book companies, complete change in the industry and what could be published. It just affected the comic market for years to come, kind of killed the golden age of comics and put comics into a limbo for a lot of years where it was really just kind of like Superman and Westerns being published until finally the Silver Age started. But this book is super collectible, and this copy has got the bibliography page. It's a first print. This is like the best. It is missing the dust jacket, which is a bummer, but still super collectible. Great book. I'm going to tell you how I got this. So I use a site called CamelCamel. You can look it up, and they track prices on Amazon. So I sell graphic novels usually, and I went ahead and put in a couple hundred graphic novels, kind of the rare out of print stuff on there, and to just track the price because the Amazon sellers compete with each other a lot of the times, and sometimes the price will drop super low, or somebody comes in and they just don't know they're going to put the cover price, and maybe it's a $60 graphic novel, only cost $15 originally. So if you're tracking that stuff and you can get a notice when it happens, you can actually get some really good scores. So I put in a note. I put in a pin on Seduction of the Innocent, the Amazon posting, just to see, just for the heck of it. And it might have been a year later that suddenly on my phone, this notice popped up on my phone. So I saw that and I was like, wow, that is super cheap. So I like rushed to my computer, got on there, looked it up, and the guy described it like, no dust jacket, fine. And it was kind of used, but I was like, for that price, I'm going to buy it. Maybe it's totally trashed. It's probably a later edition, whatever. So I went ahead and bought it. It was very cheap, as you can see. And then I got it in the mail, and yeah, it was missing the dust jacket, but it was a first print. It's the first print with the bibliography page. That's what makes it super collectible. I did some research and found out this thing is worth, $250, $300. So I went ahead and posted on eBay, as you can see, and I've gotten offers on it already. I gotten 2 offers of $200 each, and I haven't taken those. I've done counter offers, which the people have declined, so I'm holding out a little bit to see if I can get a little bit more. But I've already gotten offers of $200 for this. So this was a fantastic score right off of Amazon to turn around, sell on eBay. This is the kind of thing that if you're just paying attention, deals like this come up. So hope you like this. This is a fantastic buy. One of the ones that I really like. I'm a big fan of Golden Age stuff, so this is something that I really like as well. I thought about keeping it. Maybe if it had the dust jacket, I would have kept it for myself. But hope you like this one. And if you do like the video, remember to like it. So stay tuned. Subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be doing kind of a video log of all the buys I make. Hopefully I can get 1 or 2 videos out a week. Unboxing collections as they come in, or cool single items like this one. And I'll just try to give you some tips and some pointers for where you can score stuff yourself and talk some comic stuff. So stay tuned. Thanks.